I will show you how to display the bar chart here like this into a stepwise staircase like this. So it actually looks like a waterfall chart. So you instead for the total, the fiscal total, they are the same. So if you can see here, if I copy this one over to here, and then you can compare actually they are the same in structure. So the total will be here, and then the other one will be the floating boxes here. So you like leave it a little bit and then up and up and up. So if the values are negative, then you can have the down as well. Okay, so the only difference, the numbers are the same, but the only difference is the display of the floating bars here. And then I will show you the few things. So the first thing is you have to use the Rscript visualization here instead of the native bar chart, waterfall chart here. Uh, the reason is because the waterfall chart is in Power BI is not what we want. The waterfall chart is here. It's not it's designed in the different ways, and then it's not the FDD waterfall charts in general, so we cannot use it. The second thing is you need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 columns to make it work, and then you can change the column as well, but then later you have to map in here. So in terms of Ask visualization, you need the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here. So FY long short will be the same as this one, but then even when you have the different naming, eventually you have to map in here. Legend will be the type. So you can change the name, the type in here in the other name, but then eventually it will map to region. Region will be subset. So what the full measure here will be the value. So this mapping is to make sure that all the columns here are like for like with the code inside this waterfall chart. And after that, then you can just draw the waterfall chart in here. I think the only thing you need to take care of, which is the measure here, because in the PVM view here, let me switch to the we have type here and type equal to measure. So the one with price, volumes, and mix, and even other things, they will be floating boxes, and the measure will be the running total, the fiscal totals here. So that's just the only thing you need to take care of in this case. Maybe the end code here also, which is to make sure that this one is uh, the two columns. So if you want to make it three, then you change this one into three. Okay, so that's the difference in presentation in this case. So again, 3 points. The first one, you have to use the R script. Second one is like to make sure that you have 5 columns. The third thing is to map the 5 column in line for line with for the waterfall code inside here to work, and then you can fix the parameter. So the fourth thing is to fix the parameter, and that's all. So you are good to go with this one. Let me delete this view, and then um, we rename this one by region uh, with box, and then I duplicate the same thing with cohort. Let us go with V2, so later we don't confuse ourselves. So cohort V2, I do the same thing, but then I make the FY into here. the region in here. So I try to keep it the same structure, but then I have this thing. Okay, so we can actually do the two cohort levels as well. So the first one and the second one. Yeah, so in here you can see that I actually have more space. So let us refresh this view and then see actually we can have more space for the cohort. Um, so I want to make it 3 and see how it goes. Okay, so I think it's okay. And then this one also I want to make it maybe this one because I don't need more space in here, so I squeeze it a little bit, resize it a little bit, and then now we have. So basically, that's how it works in this view. So there's nothing change in terms of numbers and structure, but then uh, it's just the displaying, and then in this case you have to use the customize chart inside as inside our script to display the thing. And then also remember that this one, because of the this one is a script visualization, it's not a native one, so you cannot click on the bars and the boxes in order to see numbers and everything. So it's just a rasterized or printed chart. So this one is good for printing. So if you print into the PowerPoint or PDF, and then it still does the picture. But then if you want to click like this, so if you want to uh, click on this one and then to show some numbers and some tool tips, then you cannot do that.